G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today I'm out doing some slow speed practice. After my last couple of rides I got myself into a bit of trouble and lost some confidence. So I'm going to just do a bit of practice today. I've always been very confident up on my feet and riding tough tracks on this bike, but since I've raised it, while it does handle great and I've got extra clearance, it is a bit more top heavy and it is harder work when you're doing slow speed stuff. So first up, I'll practice coming to a complete stop and putting my foot down firmly. This is really important if you're a shorter rider. If you're a shorter rider, you want to get right over the side, get your butt off there. Then the tricky part, straight up onto your feet and go. So next I'll come to a complete stop, hold it for as long as I can, then dab my foot and go, whichever foot I need. Not too bad. Next I'll just ride as slow as I can and dab my foot as necessary. So get those revs up on the rear brake. Try going through something a bit rougher. Where you're more likely to use it. Righto, next I'll try some tight U-turns. Something, oh, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, something I used to be good at, but I seem to be struggling with. Yeah, most of the time you want to look at obstacles. Whoa, we made it, we made it. Try the same standing. Should be looking where I'm going, not at the ground. Gonna ride that clutch. Oop. And I'm looking down again. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dab, dab, dab. Alright, get that bike over a bit more. That's better, go a bit tighter, a little bit quicker. You head up, look where I want to go. That's better. Now something else I've never been good at is skid spin turns. Let's give them a go. No, got to give it more. Staying on the rear brake, that's my problem. Heaps better. Oh, there. Right, I'm going to have to call it a day. It's getting way too hot for this. I am feeling a lot more confident. My U-turns are way better. Nowhere near perfect, but they're getting there. I wasn't leaning the bike over enough before because I wasn't getting a tight turn. I ended up doing a big loop, going slow, and the longer you go, the more likely you are to fall off. So I've really got to squat my knees down, get the bike over, hang off the side and look around. That's the biggest thing. Getting good feel on that brake. It's a bit hard on the enduro boots. Getting the hang of those skid spin turns too. I wasn't taking my foot off the brake quick enough. That was my main problem there. I dropped the clutch, but my foot would be still on the rear brake. Yeah, definitely need a bit more practice, but oh, far out, sweat's dripping in my eyes. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's improved my riding, give me a bit more confidence again so I can get back into those nice gnarly tracks. That's what I love doing. Well, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.